Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So at this point I'm ready to go downstairs and begin my actual day. I'm ready to face the public, and some of you might be wondering, do we use makeup and hairspray and perfume and things like that? And the answer really is no. I mean, we try to be as natural as possible. But I do have some natural makeup that I use. A lot of people are probably familiar with the Bare Mineral type products. These are similar to that. You can go to the health food store and pick things that are appropriate to you. The important thing is not to have chemicals and food coloring and ingredients that are bad for your body in the products that you use. As far as deodorant, I actually use a deodorant stone, which some of you might be familiar with. We actually have very little body odor because of our diet, but the deodorant stone has no aluminum, and it's just natural minerals that destroy bacteria that does cause odors.